If you're ready to live your best life and make 2024 the best year ever, you've got to give up some of these bad habits that unfortunately have been holding you back. Number one is waiting for perfect timing. It doesn't exist. Take it off the table. Don't even think about it. It doesn't matter how many books you read. It doesn't matter how much you plan or prepare. You're going to fuck things up. You're going to make mistakes. And that's the only way you're going to learn. But the one mistake you can't overcome is failure to launch, failure to act. Gentlemen, if you are serious about doing something amazing, now is the time. Second thing I need you to stop doing is apologizing for what you want. There is nothing wrong with asking or telling somebody what you want, what you need. One of the mistakes that we make is that we get so concerned worrying about what other people think of us or what other people are going to say if we do certain things. Gentlemen, stop it. The other reality you've got to understand, and this for me was eye-opening, the world does not revolve around you. And when you understand this, right, it opens your eyes. It also frees you emotionally. We live the majority of our lives fearful of what other people are thinking about us, when the truth is they're not thinking about us. They're too worried about their own issues. They're too worried dealing with their own shit. They are not thinking about you. So free yourself, let it go, and go after what you want. Your dreams are your dreams, which brings me to the next thing you need to stop doing, and that is living a life for somebody else. It doesn't matter what your friends say. It doesn't matter what your parents want. It doesn't matter what your girlfriend wants. This is your life. The sooner you understand that, the only person you're responsible for making happy is you, it's going to free you. Do not live somebody else's dream. They had their choice, and you've got yours. The next thing I need you to do is stop spending so much time on your damn phone. It is rotting your brain. And stop listening to stupid people. You got to think about it like this, right? The information we consume, it's like food for our brain. If you're consuming junk food, your brain is going to turn into shit. Your brain is going to theoretically get like sloppy man boobs, which brings me to the next thing you got to stop doing, and that is neglecting your body. The sooner you understand that your body is your number one most valuable asset, your health, and once it's gone, it doesn't matter how much money you have, it doesn't matter how many spicy senoritas are on your junk, you are not going to be happy, because unfortunately, once you start to go down the road of bad health, it's very, very, very difficult to overcome. It starts now while you still can. It starts now while you're still healthy. Go to the doctor. Go to the damn doctor to get checkups on a regular basis. Get blood work done. Go to the dentist for cleanings. Gentlemen, it's about preventative maintenance, because the beautiful thing is that a lot of the things that you can catch early, you can fix, but when you let it go, when you let it persist, these are the times when things get out of hand, and all of a sudden you're like, oh my God, I didn't realize that this was going on, and you're dead 6 months freaking later. Eat better. Consume better, higher quality foods, right? If you're somebody that's eating a bunch of shit, gentlemen, unfortunately, your body's going to turn into crap. Also, stop drinking so much. Stop smoking anything, literally anything. And I don't mean to be the fun police. I'm just your boy, and I love you. And I just want you to achieve everything. But if you're smoking cigarettes, it's going to kill you. If you're smoking the other stuff, it is going to prevent you from living your dream and your destiny. The next thing I need you to do is stop being broke. All right, whatever this means to you, the truth is, I know from experience, when you're broke, right, it robs you of joy, it robs you of happiness. Figure out that side hustle and execute. Pete and Pedro, you guys all know it, right? You may actually use it. All right, this is my side hustle, right? This is a side hustle I started literally 10 years ago. I started it for $3,000. I saved up my money and I placed my opening order. It was a white label product that I basically went to a manufacturer. I found them. I said, hey, send me some samples. I found the products that I loved and I slapped my label on it. I started a website. I got everything up and running for $3,000. This year it's going to do $9 million. And the cool thing is that if I can do it, you can do it. And you don't need a huge social media platform anymore. Every single one of you needs a side hustle. And in my opinion, a product is one of those things that is amazing because you can scale it. Whether or not you're selling it on Amazon, whether or not you're selling it on your own website, whether or not you're giving it to influencers to promote, the bottom line is this is a way to quickly, easily, and affordably basically create something that can potentially blow up into something huge. I'm talking like millions and millions of dollars. Guys, if you're interested in grabbing the free blueprint that I'm gonna lay out for you in terms of how to do and start a white label product, ideate, find the the product, source it, grow it, market it, everything. Literally, like, I have taken everything that I've learned over the course of the past like 12 years and 20 different businesses, and I've packaged it into one amazing course that is designed specifically to help you skip ahead. I'm literally like grabbing you by the hand and being like, come on, nope, avoid that. All right, over here, right? I'm literally taking all the guesswork and I am shortcutting you to the front of the line so that you can actually do something amazing. Guys, if you want to be notified when this bad boy launches, I'm going to link down below to a sign up. Guys, go sign up. Literally, this is going to launch in about 5 days. And when we do, it's going to blow up, in my opinion. And the cool thing is that we're creating a community that's actually free, that's going to basically allow us to come together, work together, for me to do like weekly coaching calls. My goal moving forward into 2024 is to help 1,000 of you reach $1 million in 2024. Guys, hit the link down below. Go sign up. Do not wait. Like I said, there is a limit to how many people we're actually allowing into the community. And so if you're interested, now is the time. Do not wait, because when we launch, I have a feeling this thing is going to blow up. The next thing you need to blow up are your excuses. Stop making them. All right, this is one of the things that holds so many of you back. You make excuses. I'm too young. I can't do that. I'm too old. I've already passed my peak in my prime. I don't have enough money. I don't have whatever. I don't have a good body. I'm not handsome enough. Gentlemen, throw your fucking excuses out the window. It doesn't matter. The only thing you need to remember is this. You can accomplish anything. You are amazing. And the sooner you understand that, it doesn't matter your age. It doesn't matter your height. It doesn't matter your skin color. Take ownership of your future. And the only way you're going to do that is to man up, grab yourself by the balls, and make it happen. The next thing, though, I need you to do is forgive yourself for things that you messed up in the past. You got to let go of all the trash, all the baggage that you've been carrying around, whether or not it's from past relationships or things that you've done that you're embarrassed about or you feel ashamed about. Gentlemen, let it go. Set it free. We all make mistakes. There's nothing wrong with it. But what is wrong is when you never let it go. And this includes people that you need to have hard conversations with. Have the conversations you need to have with the people you need to have them with. All right? Here's the deal. If you are carrying around anger and resentment from people and things that have happened in your past, don't you think you owe it to yourself to forgive them so that you can let yourself free? It's not about forgetting what they did. No, I'm not even saying you have to like them, but you've got to accept it. You've got to basically forgive them so you can forgive yourself and you can move forward. Guys, forgiveness is a gift you give yourself. If it means going to therapy to deal with it, go to therapy. If it means calling them up and being like, yo, we got to talk, and having that hard conversation, gentlemen, have it. Because the one thing I can tell you from experience, you cannot outrun your past. You've got to stand there, you've got to fight, and you've got to be willing to do the hard work in order to make yourself amazing and happy and healthy, gentlemen. And that really is what it's about. Guys, the next thing I just want to mention, stop waiting for somebody else to hand you something, anything. It doesn't matter what. All right, one of the things that holds our society back is that everybody's waiting, everybody's got their hand out, thinking and expecting other people to do something for them. Gentlemen, nobody is coming to your rescue. Nobody is coming to give you a handout. It's your job, your responsibility. If you want anything amazing in life, you've got to grab the bull by the fucking horns. The next thing that's holding you back, gentlemen, is kissing people's asses and apologizing for things that aren't your fault. All right, nice guy alert. Yeah, exactly. I was that guy. I would basically kiss everybody's ass because I wanted everybody to like me. I also would apologize for things that weren't even my fault because I just didn't want to rock the boat. Gentlemen, screw that. All right, life is too short. If somebody doesn't like you because you're standing up for yourself and saying no, F them, who cares? They're not even worth your damn time. Which brings me to the last thing I need you to do, and that is respect yourself. The way that you do that is by allowing the people in your life that respect you and getting rid of the people that don't. Getting rid of the friends that aren't going anywhere. Getting rid of the people that have treated you poorly. Life is too short to surround yourself with people that don't uplift you, that don't fill your soul and make you feel amazing. You are incredible. You're the best dude I know. And the truth is, you deserve to have people in your life that love you as much as I do. I think you're amazing. And that's the one thing I just want to leave you with in 2023. You are the best dude I know. I love you. Be safe, be happy, be healthy, and in 2024, you better kick ass.